Bruce Cadle, the Date Night Chef. Today I want to show you how to make a red sangria punch. We're going to start with some red wine. I'm using a Merlot, but you can use a Cabernet, whatever your preference. We'll add a little bit of brandy. Some fresh orange juice. Club soda. That just kind of lightens the flavor and extends the punch. Then we'll add some nice fresh slices of orange and lemon. Some grapes. Just give it a quick stir. Now you can drink this right away, or you can let it sit in the refrigerator a couple hours or even overnight. Let's give it a taste. It's rich, it's fruity, it's really, really delicious. I'm Bruce Cadle, the Date Night Chef. I hope you enjoy this red sangria punch.